Hi there, Southern Maine Motors, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Saco, Maine. This is September. We have a great selection of specials here this month in our new car selection. This is an example of one of them right here today. Stock number T8109. It's a 2014 Ram Laramie Crew Cab. This is one of the most well-equipped trucks you're going to find, folks. This is Motor Trend's Truck of the Year, 2 years running. It's just a great vehicle. This one has savings of over $9,000 off of MSRP. It's just a great buy. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the equipment on this one. It's in black. We're going to see 20-inch chrome wheels. We've got body side steps here in chrome. Full crew cab, 4 doors for you. Leather interior, black. A little bit of white stitching, power seat, programmable seats for you as well. The Laramie stitching and emblem here on the back. It's got a few thousand miles on it, used as a demo here by the company, but still a new vehicle technically. It's got all the warranty and guarantee that can come with it from Ram. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive system, 8.4-inch touchscreen on board. We've got backup camera, navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel on this, backup sensors. It just has a great package of equipment. Here in the back seat, your passengers' comfort and convenience. A lot of space in the crew cab. We've got rubber slush mats here throughout, heated rear seats, high and low temperature for your back seat passengers, rear slider in that window. This also has the tonneau cover on board. Bed liner is already in play. Backup camera evident right there by the handle. Class 4 hitch receiver already on board. This is just a beautiful truck. Great buy. If you're in the market for something like this, this is the month to take advantage of it. Steve Smith, Southern Maine Motors. They can be reached at 207-282-4101. We have this available this September as a new vehicle special of the month and a great selection of many other models. Please give us a call, and you can see this and all the other great cars, trucks, and SUVs available on our website at southernmainemotors.com.